All right, what I got is a little bit of leftover ham from the other day. This is the bone. And I got some chunks of meat, and I was going to make a split pea soup, but I don't have any split peas, so I'm going to make, I got some frozen black-eyed peas in there. I'm just going to make a batch of black-eyed peas with ham, and it's real simple and fast. So let me get that started. I got some homemade chicken stock, and it's I had it frozen. I thawed it out, and it's really stout. So I'm only going to use half of this, and then the rest I'll add water, because this will be too chickeny. All right, a little bit of water, probably a little bit more. Let me throw the bones in while that's coming up to the boil. I'll wait a minute on the chunks of ham. I'm gonna use seasoning. I don't remember exactly what it is, but that's like the four C's of Mexican cooking, like not Tex-Mex American, like authentic. It's like coriander, cumin, chili powder, and cilantro, but that's not really, that's a herb, not a spice. The coriander actually is cilantro seeds, I think. And then perhaps cinnamon, I forget. But anyway, that's how I'm going to make this, with those spices. All right, this is boiling. So I'll put in these peas rather. All right, we'll get that back to the boil. And then I'm going to add a little turmeric as well. I didn't name that a minute ago. All right, and then a little chili powder. This is that Ancho chili powder. Some cumin. This is a new one, I think. And then coriander. That smells good. All right, and then, oh, I don't know if I mentioned cayenne before when I was saying the C's. A little cayenne. All right, a buddy of mine brought me some homegrown chilies he grew. Cut them in half, and I'm going to chuck 2 of them in. I have a feeling this is going to be a little hot. Spicy hot. All right, now I'm going to add 1 little bar of unsweet dark chocolate. And that'll melt in there. I'm throwing in the ham, but I'm going to keep some of it back to make a sandwich. I'm going to put it on that back burner over there, because then I'm going to make something else over here for lunch or for dinner. And just let this steam down and cook those beans and let it thicken up. All right, so these beans are done, or peas, black-eyed peas. I took the bones out, threw them away, and let's give this thing a go. It's a lot of ham in there, I'll tell you that. Get some of that broth. All right, I got some cornbread here that I made yesterday. So first I want to dip the cornbread in the broth. Oh, that's got a zip to it, I'll tell you that. And it's exploding with flavors from all of those spices I put in, all the C's. That is intensely good. I think a nice cold beer will go good with this. And I got a Stella Artois, and I think that will, well, a Dos Equis would be better, but I don't have a Dos Equis, so this will have to do. Oh man, I'm telling you. That is way better than I anticipated. It's really good. Okay. Let's add this one to our list. This is definitely worth making.